Welcome to Cut Time with Clean Data with Alla Breve Educational Consulting.
Last time in talking about reverse coding, we did it through the menu item recode into a different variable. We saw how much work there was and that there was this little formatting issue. Today I'm going to show you some code on how to automate this a little bit. The real work here is done with compute. Compute's a new variable. Use the formula for reverse coding, and the format line takes care of the formatting issues. So here we go. We're going to use opinion 5 and reverse that. Run all. Here's our data. Now you see it's the same numbers, but with the proper formatting. And we'd have to change all the variable names 3 times in that code to do this for the next one and all the other ones that need this. Next time we'll see a way to get around this. See you then.